Well, the sky not looking too bad. We cannot always judge a book by its cover. Gusty winds and cooler feeling today, but temperatures still well above averages. 56 and mostly sunny in Fargo. Moorhead at 54 degrees. Winds from the northwest are blowing at 12 miles per hour. We're seeing them fall off just a pinch right now. And looking up in Grand Forks, we see some blue skies and fair conditions as well with 51 on the thermometer. Your winds, though, still gusting over 25 miles per hour. And taking a look at the rainfall across the valley, there was a peak amount near Grand Forks in the rain gauge of 44 100ths. Only 6 100ths here fell in the Fargo area before the heavier rain bands developed and pushed to the north and east. As we look up toward Roseau, 1/3 of an inch of rain there. And here is a peek at current temperatures region-wide. 45 Roseau, 46 Bemidji, 54 though Fergus Falls, where we see these green colors. We're enjoying some mild and above average temperatures for this time of the year. Look at Sisseton, those yellows, near 60 degrees. Rain showers now are exiting through Duluth and into the North Shore right now, with some clearing or breaks in the clouds being illustrated across portions of northwest Minnesota, the Red River Valley, and beyond to the west. However, this rain that we see behind me here is going to change over to snow as temperatures fall, and is going to come back at us from the east toward the west. Kind of an odd situation as the storm system backs up. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. As we head through the evening hours, northwest winds continue, but they'll decrease their average speed of around 10 miles per hour. And we'll have a few 30s in the far north, but otherwise this evening we'll see temperatures only slip to the 40s. As we go through the night with areas of decreased winds and all of that fresh moisture available, watch out for areas of dense fog here and there. Shouldn't be as widespread as what we saw earlier in the week. First thing in the morning, most of our counties are quiet with the increase in clouds starting to show up in our eastern counties. The wind picks right back up where it left off as the sun rises, and we're going to see some gusts to 30 miles per hour with temperatures that will be near 35 to 40 in the southern counties and a little cooler down to up to the north rather. Take a look at the heavy snow from Duluth into the Iron Range and watch which direction it goes throughout the morning hours tomorrow. We start to see it back its way out toward the west and Bemidji, northern portions of Beltrami County, Lake of the Woods, and eastern reaches of Roseau County will begin to see the snow showers first by midday. Temperatures out to the west will be climbing into the 40s, but will stay in those 30s out to the east. By the afternoon, the snow continues its trek to the west. We'll see spotty hit and miss sprinkles for our western counties. And as we take a look at the afternoon forecast and into the evening forecast, the snow keeps coming, pressing through Roseau County. It looks like our far eastern and northern counties will stand to see accumulations by the evening hours, even the drive time home. So watch for slippery roads. Snowfall potential where you see the purples here will be on the order of 4 to 8 inches of snow. Winter storm warning for the Arrowhead. This does extend into our easternmost counties near Baudette and Black Duck and Bemidji. Fargo, though, temperatures rising from near 40 into those mid and even upper 40s in the afternoon. Best chance of snow in northwest Minnesota, and yes, there could be slippery accumulations. Thursday, look at this thing, keep trucking off to the west. That's when Fargo, Grand Forks, even Jamestown and Lisbon have a chance at seeing some flakes. How much, you say? Hardly any shovel trouble, but watch for slippery roads as you go through your cooler Thursday. Take a look at some of the ice melting off the Red River. This is taken by Kathy. Thank you so much for sharing that photo. And this is another look at a river, the Park River near Grafton. Amber, thanks so much. Look at the icicles there. Not quite swimming yet, but certainly we can play on the water a little bit now that it is ice-free. Cool Thursday with a little bit of light snow here for our St. Patrick's Day. Friday, 40. 43 to start spring on Saturday as the weather ship begins to right itself. We're back up to around 50 degrees by Tuesday in Fargo.
Okay, so a small bump in the road until we get back to nicer weather.
A little hitch in the giddy-up.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, today's Speakeasy Spotlight couple is Al and Pam Olson. Where have we heard that name before? From West Fargo, North Dakota. They are celebrating 41 years of wedded bliss. Pam has been a receptionist here at the station.
Yes.
We wish her well.
Congratulations to both of you. Put away your